How to turn off end-to-end encryption on Facebook Messenger in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Messenger application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Then simply tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Now select on the settings option over here, and as you select on settings, scroll down and you'll be able to see the option of privacy and safety. So tap on privacy and safety, and as you do that, scroll down under security. You'll be able to see the option of end-to-end encrypted chats. Tap on it. So tap on message storage, and here you can see it has not been toggled on. So you can simply turn on the secure storage, and as you turn on the secure storage, you'll have this option over here. Now if you want to end, or you can just want to turn off end-to-end encryption, tap on the option of turn off secure storage, tap and continue, and as you do that, you'll be able to end or turn off the end-to-end encryption on Facebook Messenger. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.